1 Charlie November, 7 November, Mike.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Oh, yes. Yes, yes. Oh, yeah, that's fucking gold. You're done, mate. He knows. Done. There you go, Scotty. Have that.
That's a pedestrian crossing right in front of you, love.
No, they won't cross there. It's too embarrassing.
And I just got to back you from it. But guess what? I got that on Dashcam. What the fuck are you doing? You're running that red, dickhead. Fucking dumbass. Where's your lights, dumbass?
No, it's a different policy. Oh, I was really apologetic.
Oh, someone behind me.
This moron.
What are you doing?
I was going in there.
Yeah, but on the wrong side of the road.
Nobody come
Freaking
down.
dumbass. Wait.
Right.
Come on,
Don't worry about them.
settle down then.
This is me. Get used to it. Get used to it.
You don't hear me when I'm driving.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Who's got to let you car now?
Luxury Audi in front of me.
What?
Is
Oh, look at this.
Oh, straight through. Didn't bother giving way, dumbass. Bogan.
Yes!
Bogan.
Fuckwit!
The music's cessed by this thing.
There you go, Scotty. We've got a fan.
Come in front of him and we'll get him out of the car.
Hurry it up. Hey! What the fuck? Dumbass.
You are going the wrong way, pal. Can't read arrows, eh? Dumb fuck.
Fucking going, mate. Fuck me, mate. He's on his phone and driving. You wonder why fucking Muppets have accidents. And he's still on his fucking phone. Don't worry about anyone else, mate. Fucking people just don't know how to drive, man. Seriously. right stop sign.
Right? Like those are definitely learned. They are learned. Yeah. You know, and they don't. The reason I'm less interested in them.
Manual recording on.
They don't bend to our whims in a way. You can't do it another way if you do that. Okay.
Cloud
gesture
connected.
around the circle with the 3.
These guys will pay everything.
Excuse me, sir. You're double parked.
Oh, yeah. Listen, officer, I'm just talking with the detectives.
Hey, we don't know this guy.
Yeah.
I think he might have been drinking. Hey, they're just kidding. Hey, come back. Tell him I wasn't drinking. I'm just saying that.
Blow your breath in my hand.
Why do I gotta blow in your hand?
Never mind. I can smell it already.
I'm blowing my fucking ear. I tell you to do it. Hey, I'm
License?
sorry.
Well,
Okay,
you're all
okay,
mine.
okay.
You're
Whatever.
mine.
Whatever.
My God. Are you fucking shithead? Are you fucking kidding me? Jesus Christ. I thought he was gonna wait for me.
Oh, no. Oh, yeah, this one, there's a grey one here, in front of the police car.
Whoa.
Goodness me. Are you fucking idiot? Remember this time right now.
The time right now is 6:59.
Yeah, there's something that Scotty needs to see.
Hi, Scotty.
Oh, hello.
Fucking idiot! Jeez. What a maniac. Look at it. Unbelievable. That's going to cause an accident.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
The
Yeah, but that one tree decided to really vomit up the leaves in one go. Look over here too. They're starting to, but not nearly as. Well, it must be a.
Oh!
Whoa!
Almost stupid BMW driver.
Hi, Scotty. What an idiot. Not you, Scotty. BMW driver.
Hold this. Clearly this guy can't read. It'd be nice if the Newtown school offers you a job. Seriously, that was bad driving. Save that one.
I have to tell if they do though.
Yes, what an absolute bastard, yes.
But she was never above being polite when it was the nice thing to do, not because it was expected of her. Scar gave her a warm, straight from the heart smile. Of course.
Lock the video.
And Obi-Wan knows her way better than every other Jedi.
I mean,
in the Jedi
what
Council.
is this clown doing?
Oh man, what is he doing?
Dude, there's only one lane.
Hello? There's
Well,
only one lane, man.
yeah, typical Commodore Who.
Oh my goodness.
Seriously.
What?
What are you doing? He's practically driving up there. He practically drove up.
Denied.